everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about this like sort of sit down chatty video, but also some vlog clips type of video. I've been getting so many questions about how I'm losing weight and kind of a body update sort of thing, so I wanted to kind of just update you guys and tell you what I've been doing. I have been really focusing on what I'm putting on my body and also healing my body for some health things coming up, and with focusing on healing my body, I just started using also the law of attraction to lose weight and heal myself, and it has been doing such wonders that I need to share it with you guys. One of my past fitness videos, I teamed up with my besties over at Vanity Planet to give you guys a great deal on this awesome scale, and you guys loved it, and I still get messages to this day asking what that amazing scale is, and it's called the Body Analyzer. Not only does it measure your weight, but it does your body fat, your bone density, your water, everything. It is such a great scale. I have a great discount for you guys. I'll link everything down below. It is a game changer, so you're not just basing everything off just a number. There you have little stats to go off of, so I'm someone who really likes to base it off body fat percentages and just everything like that, and I've just noticed such differences in my body, and I feel like I'm getting little abs now, and I just feel like every time I weigh myself I am losing weight really easily, and it's just using the law of attraction, focusing on what I'm putting in my body, and truly just shifting my beliefs around my body and what I eat and everything. And so I've been using amazing tools like the law of attraction, that scale, everything. Game changer, you guys. Things are happening, things are changing. I'll list a few of my favorite mantras down below for weight loss, and yes, let's jump into the video. So enjoy these vlog clips, and then at the end I'm going to just talk a little bit and ramble with you guys. Let me know down below if you guys have ever used the law of attraction for weight loss, or if you've ever heard about it and what your experience is. So yeah, I will have a link down below for my favorite scale. Definitely check it out. I get so many messages on Instagram and still comments to this day asking what that scale was, and I get messages from you guys being like, oh my god, that's my favorite thing ever. So I love you guys so much. Let's get into the video. Seriously, look how good these look. Like, my go-to snacks right now are all pretty much like raw fruit, and I try and stick to one fruit. As we know, that potato dish has been pretty much my go-to, and then in the morning I just really like having my juice and my 4 Sigmatic latte, my lemon water. Sometimes I'll do a smoothie, but I haven't had much of an appetite, so I've been really just listening to my body, listening when I'm hungry, and like, can we just look at these organic strawberries? Like, oh my goodness. Fruit, sugar is not bad for you. Fruit is not bad for you. Carbs are not bad for you. These are delish. I don't have a pretty blogger fridge, but I want to share with you guys some of my must-haves. So cucumbers are a must-have snack for me. So hydrating, so good for you. Always have a big thing of lettuce. I have one of my stasher bags with some chopped up cucumber for if I have to run out the door. Love these stasher bags. You guys should be so proud of me, trying to do less waste. Lots of lettuce. I have some prepped, this is my prep food. I have steamed potatoes. I have a bolognese sauce with just lentils, marinara sauce that I just then sauteed with lentils, red onion, garlic, and then there's some raw garlic that I'll put on top of it when I eat this, because again, I'm trying to incorporate more raw garlic in my diet for healing. I just have some fresh cilantro. Cilantro is so good for you. This is the vegan cheese that I eat. It is plant-based, there's probiotic, it's all whole ingredients, which is why I eat it. Stuff like this, where it's like the follow your heart stuff, is definitely like more of a treat for me, you know. Just my red onion. I have some broccoli. This pesto from Trader Joe's I really love. If you're in a pinch, I really like it. The ingredients don't bother me that bad. I think it has really good ingredients, and I'm a big fan. Obviously homemade is better, but you know, sometimes we're in a pinch. We're humans, it happens. These tortillas are really great because they're grain-free and corn-free. Is corn a grain? I don't know. Paleo, non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, vegan-free. Really love, super yummy. I love the Siete chips. Also a must-have in my life is this wild brine probiotic sriracha. It's spicy kimchi sriracha and basically has probiotics in it. I really love this on cucumbers with tahini, just a drizzle of tahini. I'm trying to cut fat. I need to clean my fridge so bad, please don't judge me. Also, best vegan butter ever. I have to show you guys the 3 things that have literally like changed my life. So if I'm at home, I'm super bored and I just like feel this like ucky energy and like I don't want to work out, I don't want to do anything, these are the 2 things that have been saving me. Are you ready? Mini trampoline. Mini trampoline. Getting my cardio in, having fun, cultivating this like really fun high vibe energy, and also like burning calories and like doing the thing, you know. Also, if you guys follow me on Instagram, fam, you already know. If you know, then you know. My weighted hula hoop. Hello, snatched waist coming in. Hello. Yes, I love this so much. This is like one of my favorite things. It's not going to be a long-term thing, and we want long-term joy, long-term happiness, long-term success. Hello, my sweet, sweet friends. Welcome back to my channel. So, at the moment, yo girl whipped y'all out so we can make a sweet little feast together. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Where do I normally put you? Like here? That's nice. Okay, so I am currently just making my lunch and I chopped up about, I think 3 of these organic yellow potatoes. I just chopped them up into little pieces, and I've been getting asked so much about my diet because I have been losing weight intentionally, but also like not really trying. Like I feel like I've tried everything from like Weight Watchers to macros to intuitive eating, and now it's just simply like, well, I'll talk about that later. But I have 3 potatoes here. I am enjoying my little mushroom latte, my 4 Sigmatic latte. But yeah, I have been feeling so good and feeling so much better, and I've been really focusing on healing my body and doing the best things for my body and trying to eat the best things for my body, but also without going like insane, you know what I mean? So that's what we've been doing, and I'm making my lunch and I wanted to include you guys. So I'm boiling some water, and how cute is this new pot, by the way? How cute is she? We'll take your top off with consent, of course. Then we're just gonna add our little taters in. Oh, or one on the ground. How do people add stuff to boiling water? Like, this shit is so hot. Let's see how many potatoes I can drop. Great. Chatty grandmother and my cute little grampy. So what this is just steamed potatoes, raw red onion, raw garlic, 2 cloves of raw garlic. I'm really trying to eat more raw garlic to help with detoxing the virus that leads to UTIs. Look up medical medium, savior. Lots of raw cilantro and about half an avocado. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more avocado, TBH, because there's always room for that. And then I've been trying to use this up, but there's just regular vinegar in it, which isn't the best for your stomach, and I don't know how my stomach's gonna react to that. Brody's hungry too, girl. Brody, you a hungry boy? Throw all this in there. It's gonna be so good. I'm so excited. You guys need to try this. It seriously is so filling, so good for you, nourishing all parts of your body, helping you detox, cleansing out that liver, and getting those viruses out. Especially with that raw garlic and cilantro. Ugh. And with the avocado, so filling, and then with the potatoes, so satisfying. So, Love. So good. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm. It's like healthy Mexican potato salad. Mmm. Fuck me up, Susan. Okay, again with my favorite lunch. I only did 2 potatoes this time because it was really hard to finish the last one. And what I learned with my human design is projectors are not ever supposed to be super, super full. So I did half an avocado, 2 golden potatoes, about a little red onion, 2 cloves of raw garlic, half a lime, salt, pepper, cilantro, a little cayenne. It's lit and so healthy and nourishing for your body. Okay guys, I just got done working out and my face is all red. But I am seriously obsessed with this sports bra from, oh, what is on it? This is from Fabletics. It's super supportive, so if you have really big boobs like me, highly suggest. These pants are from Lululemon, but I also really love the workout clothes or workout pants from Fabletics in general. But yeah, so for my workouts recently, I have been really loving to keep it simple and actually doing things that I love to do, because I am realizing how much like your weight loss journey and your fitness and just your health, all of it needs to be enjoyable. You need to be in that high vibration, the vortex, the high frequency. Otherwise, like, you're just having resistance around it. So when I truly shifted my mindset around losing weight, when I truly shifted my mindset around changing my body and around food and all of this, is when everything started changing so much easier. When I started enjoying the foods that I was eating, when I started enjoying the foods I was making and focusing on putting real whole foods in my body, that's when everything started changing. How I am losing weight so easily and effortlessly this time, and like it's coming off without me even really trying, is literally, one, being in a good mindset about it. I look at my mirror in the body, or look at my body in the mirror, and I tell myself how much I love myself, and I tell myself that I lose weight effortlessly and easily. I love my body. My body is slimming down to the highest version of itself, and me wanting to lose weight and wanting to get in this headspace is so I can feel my best and look my best and just forever. I know that I love myself, but like love myself on a level of like feeling my best. And I know that, like, you know, like when when your body feels funky, you know when like your body's holding on to things, and that's what this is. Like these like last few pounds and like last 5-10 pounds, whatever, is like my body holding on to it because it's comfortable. Focusing on weighing and measuring and I can't eat this, I can't eat that. It's truly listening to your body and filling your body with so much love and nourishment, and knowing that the food that you're putting in your body, telling yourself like, this food is leading me to the body I want. This food is leading me to the mood I want, the energy I want, the life I want. Whatever we are telling ourselves about our food is true. Whatever we are telling ourselves about our body is true. If every time you wake up you're like, oh, I know I'm gonna eat like shit today, I'm gonna binge eat today, and then I'm just gonna gain weight, if you have that mentality, why wouldn't that come true? Why wouldn't that be true? That is the reality that you are creating. People ask me all the time about losing weight with the law of attraction. It's as easy as that, exactly what I just said. Are you waking up being, oh, there's a fuzz on my camera. Are you waking up focusing on creating the body you want and attracting the body you want? Or are you focused on where you're at now, not loving yourself where you're at now, and just basically shitting on yourself and attracting more and more and more weight? Because that weight is really just resistance around fully accepting yourself. And it's so important to fully accept ourselves and love ourselves with where we're at right now. You know what I mean? It's like the key aspect. And I just cannot stress enough, when I finally started focusing on not weighing things and measuring things and not trying to find like sugar-free this, low-fat this, like low-carb this. Like whenever I hear anyone say low-carb now, I just want to like jump out of a building. Carbs do not make you fat. Plants do not make you fat. Real foods do not make you fat. And I love this new mentality I have. It's like I've finally woken up to how it works, and I rarely weigh myself now. I like just using the body fat little measuring thing on the scale, but it's crazy every time I get on just like being tinier and tinier, and now I'm focusing on gaining muscle and just getting leaner and just feeling my energy just feeling higher. I'm a little person. I'm 5'3", 5'4", and so any excess weight, like I really feel it energetically in my body, and I know it's just myself holding on to it because it's comfortable and because then I have a reason to be mad at myself. It's a form of self-sabotage. We all do it. And when you binge eat and when you have, you know, these habits that we do, although binge eating is very serious, so don't take this the wrong way, but we do these things to ourselves sometimes so we have a reason to be upset with ourselves. So we have this belief that we're not good enough and that we'll always fail, and so subconsciously we do these things so we have to, like, you know, prove ourselves right. So that is all that I'm going to share in this video. I wanted to talk to you just about a few of the foods I've really been loving and the meal I've been loving, and I wanted to share this with you. It's been so requested for me to talk about this. And yeah, know that your mindset is the biggest thing, and loving yourself is the biggest first step. And know that, like, you can still love yourself and want to change your body, and know that you don't have to always be dieting and you don't have to always be weighing your food. That's not what you're here on this planet to do. You are so beautiful and you are so loved and you have such a big purpose.